How to get Robux with Sweatcoin. So basically first you gotta earn a bunch of Sweatcoin, and then what you need to do is go to the shop icon right here, the second one. So at the shop itself, you won't be able to see any offers for Robux. However, if you go to bidding right here, as you can see, there's about to be a bid war for a $250 gift card. Basically, if you have a bunch of Sweatcoin saved up, you can bid on this and hopefully you win this. Now, what do you do with the gift card? You want to get an Amazon gift card after you have earned enough Sweatcoin, obviously. And then what you need to do is basically buy Robux on Amazon. Now, there's no guarantee that you will win this, as many people will be competing about it, and I'm just going to give you an example. So this headset right here, it was won for 43,000 Sweatcoin. Now, again, you can check your shop if you have a different kind of offer. You won't get a Robux offer, like I said, directly here. But if you see something else, like you can get a discount as well. So if you want to get a discount, that is also another possibility. But basically, check the bid section, see what is going to be, what is there to bid on. And if you manage to win a gift card, then you can redeem it on Amazon, and then you will have a bunch of Robux. That is, of course, if you manage to win. So that's how this works. So hope this was informative. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.